little artists! Today, we're going to draw something magical. A flying pig with wings. Grab your crayons or markers and let's begin. Let's start with a big oval for the pig's body. Now draw a round head with a happy snout. Add 2 pointy ears, 2 bright eyes, and a curly little tail. Next, draw 2 big wings, 1 on each side. This pig is ready to fly. Now let's add 4 legs with tiny hooves. It looks so cute and ready for an adventure in the sky. Look at your flying pig. It already looks full of joy and energy. Now it's time to color. Let's use pink for the pig's body, white for the wings, and brown for the hooves. You can add light blue to the sky or even give the pig rainbow wings. It's your flying pig, so make it as colorful as you like. Keep going. It's looking wonderful. And we're done. You just drew a flying pig. Great job, artist. Can you guess what we'll draw next? Hello, brave artists. Today, we're going to draw something wild and strong. A big werewolf with sharp claws and cool blue shorts. Grab your pencils or markers and let's get started. Let's begin with the head. Draw 2 pointed ears and a long snout with sharp teeth. Now add the eyes. They look fierce and powerful. Next, draw the big shoulders and strong arms. Give him big hands with long claws. Now draw the chest and the muscular body. Don't forget the torn blue shorts and strong legs. Finally, add a big, bushy tail and some wild fur. Our werewolf is ready for the full moon. Whoa, your werewolf looks super strong. Just look at those muscles and claws. Now let's add some color. Use dark gray or brown for the fur and red for the eyes. Color the claws white or silver and make the shorts bright blue. You can even add shadows to make him look more powerful. It's your werewolf. Make him as cool or spooky as you want. And that's it! You just drew an amazing werewolf. Fantastic job! Can you guess what we'll draw next? Hi little artists! Today, we're drawing a cozy winter penguin holding a heart. It's super cute and perfect for a snowy day. Grab your crayons or markers and let's begin. Let's start with a round head and a chubby body. Now draw 2 big eyes and a small beak. Add a warm winter hat with a pom-pom on top. Now draw a fluffy scarf around the neck. Let's add the wings. One is holding a little heart. Draw the feet at the bottom. They're small and orange. This penguin looks so sweet and ready to give a warm hug. Look at your penguin. It's full of love and ready for winter. Let's color the penguin black and white, just like real penguins. Use orange for the beak and feet. Make the hat red and the scarf light blue with stripes. Color the heart bright red to show its love. You can even add a snowy background if you like. Your penguin is looking adorable. And now you're done. You just drew a kind and cozy penguin. Great work! Can you guess what we'll draw next? Hello, little artists. Today, we're going to draw a cute orange cat holding a heart. It's sweet, happy, and full of love. Grab your crayons or markers and let's begin. Let's start with a round head and two big ears. Now draw the face, two bright eyes, a small nose, and a happy smile. Add a little collar with a round tag. Now draw the fluffy body, one paw holding a big heart. Don't forget the long tail and those little tiger stripes. This cat looks very friendly and full of love. Wow, look at your cat. It already looks so adorable. Now let's color it. Use orange for the fur and pink for the ears and nose. The heart can be red and the color blue or yellow. Add light brown or darker orange for the stripes. You can even draw a little background if you want. Keep coloring. It's looking amazing. And we're finished! You just drew a super cute cat! Great job, artist! Can you guess what we'll draw next? Hi little heroes, today we're going to draw a brave superhero dog. He's got a cape, gloves, and a big smile. Get your crayons or markers and let's start drawing. Let's begin with the head. Draw two big ears and a round nose. Add wide eyes and a playful smile. Now draw the body in a superhero suit. Add strong arms with gloves and legs with cool boots. Now the best part, the big flowing cape behind him. Don't forget the furry tail and a little tuft of hair on top. Our superhero dog looks ready to save the day. Look at your superhero dog. He already looks full of courage and fun. Let's give him bright colors: red for the suit, yellow for the cape, and blue for the gloves and boots. Color the fur light brown and the nose and spots dark brown. You can even add a city background or a blue sky. Make your superhero shine in your own way. And we're done. You just drew a superhero dog. Amazing work, hero. Can you guess what we'll draw next? Hello, little artists. Today, we're going to draw a playful raccoon doing a handstand. He's smiling and waving while upside down. Grab your crayons or markers and let's begin. Let's start with the head. Draw 2 big ears, a round face, and a fluffy mouth. Now add bright eyes, a button nose, and a happy smile. Next, draw the arms. One is waving, and the other is touching the ground. Now draw the body upside down, with strong legs in the air. Add the long striped tail going up and curving to the side. Don't forget the little raccoon mask around the eyes. Our raccoon looks like he's having so much fun. Look at your raccoon. He's already full of energy and joy. Let's color the raccoon gray with dark brown stripes on the tail. Add pink inside the ears and a little red for the tongue. The mask around the eyes can be dark gray or black. Make sure to leave the fluffy cheeks nice and white. Your raccoon is looking awesome upside down. And we're all done. You just drew a playful raccoon. Great work, artist. Can you guess what we'll draw next?